Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you step by step how to install OptiFine for Minecraft 1.21.6. OptiFine boosts your game's performance, gives you access to advanced video settings, and allows you to use shaders. Whether you're looking for more FPS or better graphics, this guide has you covered. Let's get started. First, make sure you're using Minecraft version 1.21.6. Open your Minecraft launcher. Click the version dropdown and select 1.21.6. Launch the game once to make sure it runs correctly. Go to the official OptiFine website at optifine.net. On the home page, scroll until you find the version labeled OptiFine 1.21.6 HDUI7 or the most recent, like your desktop. Only use the official site to avoid fake or outdated versions. Now, because OptiFine is a .jar file, you'll need to have Java installed on your computer. If you don't already have it, head over to oracle.com and download Java 21. Choose the version that matches your system, install it, and follow the setup instructions. If the OptiFine file doesn't open correctly or tries to open with another, visit johan.loefflmon.net, download jarfix, and run it. This will make sure .jar files open with Java. Once Java is installed and everything's working, go find your OptiFine .jar file, right-click it, and choose Open with Java. A small installer window will pop up. Click the Install button. After a few seconds, you'll see a message that says, OptiFine is successfully installed. Now, open your Minecraft launcher. You'll be running the game with OptiFine. You can now go to Options, then Video Settings, and access all the new features OptiFine adds, like advanced graphics controls, zoom, shader support, and more. You've now installed OptiFine for Minecraft 1.21.6. If this tutorial helped you out, be sure to hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe for more Minecraft modding and performance guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.